Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about class 5th mathematics chapter number 8, which is decimals and percentage. The topics we are going to discuss in this video are: first we'll discuss introduction of this chapter, then 10th place, 100th place, then place value chart of decimals, then fractions as decimals. Here we'll discuss how to convert fractions as decimal, then we'll discuss how to convert decimal to fractions. Okay, so let's start from the introduction of this chapter. When you use the dot to write some number, then the dot is decimal point. Okay, look at here. Here is an example of 0.5. Here this point separate the 0 and 5, and this point is known as decimal point. Okay, that we can say that one as dot also. This dot separate the this part and right side of that part. Okay, left side of this part is known as whole part, and the right side of this one is known as fractional part. Okay, this is used to show the part of the whole. As you have already discussed, fractions means part of the whole. So this can be written as 5 by 10 also. Okay, 0.5 can be written as 5 by 10. So how to write this fraction to decimal and decimal to fraction, we'll discuss later. Next, move to 10th place value. Okay, a 10th. As you know that 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So if you have to write the opposite of this one, then what to do? We have to convert this millimeter to centimeter. In that case, how to write this one? 1 millimeter equal to, we can write this one as 1 by 10 centimeter. Okay, it is 1 by 10 centimeter. Or how to read this one? It is 1 by 10 means 1/10th, and decimal form of this one is 0.1. Okay, it is 0.1. Okay, suppose you have to write 2 millimeter. Okay, so what is the value for this one? It is 2 by 10. It can be written as 2/10th, or decimal value for this one is, as you are dividing with 10, so we have to leave one digit from right side and put the decimal point. So it becomes 0.2. Clear all? Next, the first digit after the decimal represent the 10th part of the whole part. As we are writing this one as 0.1, here we are leaving one digit from right side, and that digit, okay, after the decimal point is known as 10th. Okay, 10th part from the whole part. Okay, look at this one. Here is 34.7. As you already know, in the Indian place value chart, up to ones to crore. Here the first digit before to the left side of decimal point is known as ones place, then it is tens. If we move towards this side, we'll get the place value of each digit, that is 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh. Okay, in this way, if we move toward the right side, the first digit after the decimal point is known as 10th. Similarly, okay, we'll get the first digit as 10. That means it is, as you have already discussed, 10 means 1 by 10. Okay, this decimal point separate the left side and right side in different manner. In the left side, while we are moving towards left side, we are multiplying each digit, okay, with, here it is ones place means the value of ones is 1, value of tens is 10. We will discuss all this in the place value chart of this. Okay, so how to read this one? It can be read as, here it is 3 4, it becomes 34. Then you have to write point, and after that you have to write the decimal digit wise. So here it is 7, so we have to write just 7. So it becomes 34.7. Next we will discuss 100th. Similarly, as you know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, if we have to write the opposite of this one, then we have to write the centimeter in meter. So it is 1 by 100 meter. Okay, 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So how to read this one? It is 1 by 100th. Okay, that means we want to write the decimal form of this one. We can write this one as 0. Okay, it is 0.01. 1 by 100 read as 100th, and how to write this one in decimal form? It is 0.01. Okay, so the second number after the decimal represent the 100th part of the whole part. The first digit after the decimal represent the 10th. and second digit after the decimal represent the hundredth from the whole part. Here is an example. So it is 13.95. This decimal point separate the whole part to the fractional part. Okay. The first digit to the left side of the decimal is unit place or ones place. Second digit is tens place. If you move towards the right side, first digit after the decimal is tenth and second digit after the decimal is decimal point is 100. Okay. Now come to how to read this one. It can be read as 13.95. As I have already told, towards the right side of the decimal point, you have to read this one as digit wise. Okay. Here it is 95, so you have to read them as there. 9, then 5. Clear? The decimal in the 100 form, so that we have divided the number into 100 equal parts. In 10th place, we are dividing the gap into 10 equal parts. In 100, we are dividing the gap into 100 equal parts. Now come to place value chart of this one. That is for decimals. Okay. This is the place value chart which tells that the place value of each digit in the decimal number. Okay. As you have already discussed this for Indian number system and international number system. Here we will discuss how to represent the place value for the decimals. Okay. We have already discussed all this. Okay. That is ones. That means 1, tens. Okay. For that the value is 10. For 100 it is 100. For 1000 it is 1000. And here decimal point. This means the dot. The dot separate this part is known as whole part. Toward the right side this is known as fractional part. Okay. As we are writing the value for each one in the form of fraction, we can say that this one is fractional part. Clear? So the 10th, first digit after the decimal point, that is dot, is known as 10th, and 10 means 1 by 10. Okay. Next second digit is 100th. That means we have to multiply that digit with 1 by 100. Next one is 1000th. That means 1 by 1000. Next one is 10,000. So up to this we will discuss in our class 5. Okay. So that is 1 by 10, 1 by 100 and 1 by 1000. In this way you can increase the 0 after 1 to get the next place value. Okay. So you have to use this one to write the decimal form of each number. Okay. With the given place value chart, write the number in decimal form. Here 4 is in 100 place, 6 is in 10th place, 3 is in 1st place, 8 is in 10th place and 5 is in 100 place. So we have to write this number in decimal form. So first we will write the expanded form of this one. So now come to the solution. So here is the solution. 4 is in 100 place, so we have to multiply 4 with 100. Next 10 is in 6 is in 10th place, so it becomes 6 multiplied by 10. 3 is in 1st place, 3 multiplied by 1. Then 8 is in 10th place, so 8 multiplied by 1 by 10. 5 is in 100th place, so 5 multiplied by 1 by 100. Now multiply all this. So 4 multiplied by 100, 400. 6 multiplied by 10, 60. 3 multiplied by 1, 3. 8 multiplied by 1 by 10, it is 8 by 10. 5 multiplied by 1 by 100, it is 5 by 100. So how to add all this? You already know. 400 plus 60 plus 3, it becomes 463. Here we will discuss how to write these two, how to add these two. Okay. So 8 by 10 becomes 0.8. You have to convert that to decimal. Okay, it becomes 0.8 plus 5 by 100 can be written as 0.05. Okay. Next, if we add these two, we get 0.85. Simple. There is no decimal point for this, so you have to write this one, and after that you have to put point, and after that you have to write 85. So the number become decimal number for this one is 463.85. Next we will discuss how to convert or how to write fraction as decimals. It is easy to write the fraction with decimal, okay, with 10 as the denominator in decimal form, but when the denominator is not 10, different from 10. We have to find the equivalent fraction of the denominator having 10. Okay, so here is an example. Convert 12 by 5 and 3 by 2 in decimal form. Come to the solution. Here is the example. Here 12 by 5 is a fraction. We have to find the equivalent fraction of this having denominator as 10, as it is easier to convert any fraction having denominator 10 to the decimal form. Okay, so it is 12 by 5. If we multiply 2 in the numerator and denominator, we'll get 10 as the denominator. So I have multiplied this one. 5 to the 10 and 12 to the 24. Okay, so next is it can be written as 20 by 10 or 4 by 10. 20 by 10 it is 2, or 4 by 10 it can be written as 0.4. So the decimal form of this one is 2.4. Or from this step you can directly write this one as 24 by 10 can be written as, you can directly write these steps. Okay, while you are dividing any number by 10, then just leave one digit from right side. Here it is 4. I am putting decimal point. After that you have to write the remaining digit to the left side of the decimal point. So 24 by 10 can be written as 2.4 in this way. Okay, next come to second example. 3 by 2. Again we have to convert this to equivalent fraction having denominator as 10. So here I have multiplied 5 in the numerator and denominator also. So 3 5 that is 15, 5 2 that is 10. From this step you can directly write the decimal point. So you have to write one digit from right side, put decimal point and write the previous digit. So it become 1.5. Okay, if you want to convert this one in these steps, so it can be 10 can be 15 can be break in this way. 10 plus 5, so 10 by 10 plus 5 by 10. 10 by 10 it is 1. Okay, and 5 by 10 can be written as 0.5. So 1 plus 0.5 it become 1.5. Clear all? Next we will discuss how to write decimal as fractions. Just opposite of that one, write 2.5 in the fraction forms. Point, okay, yeah, there is one digit after the point. Okay, so we can say that we have to divide 10 with this. Okay, so 2.5 means 2 plus 5 by 10. After that you can write that 2 can be written as 20 by 10 plus it is 5 by 10. So we can say that it is 25 by 10. Okay, if we remove all these steps, you can directly write from here. You can write these two digits, it is 25. How many digits after the decimal point? Here it is 1. So we can write this one as 10. Okay, suppose you have given any other number. Suppose I am taking a number like 32.76. Okay, so how to write this one in the decimal form? Just write whatever may be the digit here. It is 3276. That divided by 1. Okay, how many digits are there after the decimal point? Here it is 2 digit, so you have to write 20 here. Okay, 20 after 1. So the decimal form of the fractional form of this one is 3276 divided by 100. Okay all, that's all. Thank you.